Hello, Kevin Leach here from Inequality. I'm going to show you today how to link a login ID to your ipDTL account so that a voice talent or contributor can connect to your studio. I'm going to click on the link icon and type in their login ID and click the link button. Meanwhile, Townsend is out there at the ipDTL counter.
And with that, we should be linked up. What Kevin just did is he linked my login ID with his account. All I have to do is refresh my page, and I will now go to my drop-down menu here, and there he is, Inequality, NAB show. I'll just dial him.
And now we can hear each other.
There you go.
Thanks for watching this tutorial. Look out for more tutorials on our YouTube channel.